In the world of marine and shipbuilding industries, every component is subjected to some of the harshest environmental conditions on the planet. Saltwater, high humidity, and constant exposure to the elements can take a toll on even the most durable materials. This is where carbide burr tools play a crucial role. Designed for precision and durability, carbide burrs are small rotary cutting tools made from extremely hard tungsten carbide. They are commonly used with high-speed rotary tools or die grinders and can be found in a wide range of shapes and sizes, each tailored to specific tasks. Carbide burr tools are essential for cleaning, shaping, and finishing metal components that are integral to the structural integrity and functionality of ships and marine equipment. From propeller blades that drive massive vessels through the water to the intricate fittings and fasteners that hold hulls together, these tools help ensure every piece is ready for the unforgiving marine environment. One of the primary uses of carbide burrs in shipbuilding is the removal of corrosion and pitting from stainless steel marine fittings. Over time, even corrosion-resistant metals like stainless steel can develop surface oxidation or corrosion, especially at weld joints or in crevices where water can collect. Carbide burrs are highly effective at removing these damaged layers, exposing clean, fresh metal underneath. The precision of the tool allows shipbuilders and maintenance workers to target only the affected areas, minimizing material loss and preserving the integrity of the component. In addition to cleaning, carbide burrs excel in shaping and smoothing parts that must fit together with exacting tolerances. For example, when installing new hull fittings or retrofitting older vessels, achieving a perfect seal is critical to prevent leaks and structural issues. Carbide burrs can be used to deburr rough edges, smooth out welds, and shape holes or slots to precise dimensions. This not only improves the fit and finish of the components, but also enhances their performance and lifespan by reducing stress points where cracks or corrosion could begin. Propellers are another vital area where carbide burr tools are indispensable. The performance of a ship's propeller is directly tied to the smoothness and accuracy of its blades. Any imperfections, such as burrs left from the casting or machining process, or roughness caused by corrosion, can create turbulence and reduce efficiency. Shipbuilders use carbide burrs to meticulously clean, shape, and balance propeller blades, ensuring they slice through water with minimal resistance and maximum power. Carbide burrs are also employed to prepare surfaces for welding, a process that is central to shipbuilding and repair. Before two pieces of metal can be welded together, it's essential to remove any oxidation, paint, or old weld material. Carbide burrs can quickly and efficiently clean these surfaces, creating the optimal conditions for a strong, long-lasting weld. Their versatility extends beyond stainless steel. Carbide burrs can handle a variety of marine-grade metals, including aluminum, bronze, and even some hard plastics. This makes them a go-to tool for fabricators working on custom fittings, brackets, or other specialized components. Their resistance to wear means they maintain their sharpness over many uses, even when working on tough materials, which is particularly valuable in the demanding marine environment. In summary, carbide burr tools are a backbone of marine and shipbuilding maintenance and fabrication. They are valued for their ability to clean, shape, and finish metal components exposed to corrosive and challenging conditions. Whether removing corrosion from stainless steel fittings, perfecting the surface of a propeller, or preparing metal for welding, these tools help ensure that ships and marine equipment remain safe, efficient, and seaworthy for years to come.